Hey guys, it is Julie here with TipRanks. In today's video, we're going to take a look at some crowd insights from the TipRanks Smart Portfolio feature, where we can take a look at which stocks are the most held amongst different investors. Just before we get into that, this is a friendly reminder to tune in at 12:30 Eastern Standard Time for our live stream Friday market recap, where you can join the discussion of all of the exciting things that have happened in the market this week. So make sure you stop by. All right, now let's take a look at these crowd insights. Now, the TipRanks Smart Portfolio tool helps you best assess and optimize your investment portfolio. It allows you to sync up different portfolios from brokerages or just add in manual stocks through here as well. It's going to give you essential insights into the stocks that you own and give you a full portfolio analysis. You can see daily gainers, losers, upcoming events, and relevant news to all of your holdings. It's also going to allow you to compare your portfolio to other investors, including top performers. But what I want to focus on today is the crowd insights over here. So this is going to allow you to compare your holdings and the top holdings of all of the people using the TipRanks Smart Portfolio. You can see their asset allocation and how it compares to your holdings. You can see a lot of people are heavily invested in technology and consumer goods. You can compare your risk with your average beta and even your dividend yield. Now, down at the very bottom, when we're looking at the average TipRanks portfolio, we can see the top holdings here, and probably not a lot of surprises. We have some really big names. We can also switch to the best performing TipRanks portfolios and just look at the top percent of portfolios who consistently outperform the markets. Our list does change a little bit down here. You'll notice that NEO drops a few places, and a couple stocks like Palantir, AMC, and Churchill Capital actually aren't on the list at all anymore. So a few changes between those best portfolios and just the overall. Now, looking closer at some of those top holdings, probably no surprise that we have Apple in there, which has a market cap of over $2 trillion and currently trading at 136. Under their stock analysis, they do come in with a smart score of 10 for an outperform rating. We have seen a small drop in TipRanks investor sentiment and a small decrease in hedge fund activity, but still have positive technicals and bullish news and blogger opinions. Analysts are also in favor. We can look at all analysts or top. With our top analysts, we have a strong buy and an average upside of 19%. Some of those ratings coming in just within this last day. Next on our list, we have NEO. This company is a little bit smaller in size, but has gotten a lot of attention as a Chinese EV maker in this past year. On the SMART score, they come in with an 8 out of 10, so still an outperform rating with some increased hedge fund activity and positive technicals. Analysts, especially the top analysts here, rate the stock as a strong buy with an average upside of nearly 27%. Next up, we have Tesla, of course, another very popular EV maker. Their stock currently trading at $675 per share. They also come in with an 8 for an outperform rating with some insider activity, increased hedge fund activity, and bullish news sentiment. This one, however, always has the analysts divided. If we look at all analysts, we come in with a hold rating and a downside of almost 10%. Of course, Tesla is the most split between analysts with a low price target of $67 and a high price target of over $1,000. Looking at our top analysts, that does bump up to a positive upside of 9%. After that, we have Amazon, who has seen a lot of volatility this past year, but is another very popular one amongst investors. Their stock does come in with a 10 out of 10 for an outperform rating with very positive TipRanks investor sentiment, increased hedge fund activity, and bullish news sentiment. Analysts do love the Amazon stock. It comes in with a unanimous buy rating with 30 analysts rating it, and it has an upside potential of over 25%. And last but not least, we have Microsoft, another well-known company with a market cap over $2 trillion. They come in with a 10 out of 10 once again, with a lot of green across the board here, and another one with unanimous analyst ratings and an average upside of about 10%. So there are the most popular holdings among our TipRanks Smart Portfolios. I would love to know in the comments down below, how many of these do you hold in your portfolio currently? And are there any that surprised you that they were on that list, or any that you're shocked weren't on that list? Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button and that you're subscribed to the channel as well. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you back here next time.